Hello, this is Joy, your bootcamp social media coach, and I am talking to you today. It's called Tuesdays Talk Nerdy to Me Joy. So I'll come at you every Tuesday with some tips, either iPhone tips, technical tips, Instagram tips, or social media tips. Today I'm going to talk to you a little bit about something I do on Instagram as well as a little techie tip on my iPhone. So if you're not using an iPhone, I'm sorry. All I know is iPhones. I know a little bit about Androids, but not a lot. So hopefully this translates to those Android users out there. And if it doesn't, give me a question on our Facebook wall and I'll try to help you out. Okay, the first thing I'm going to show you today is that you want to, when you post to Instagram and you want to have a call to action, you want to use your geolocation area, which, let me show you here. I'm going to pull up Instagram. So geolocation is right under the name of the user. So under like to know it, they have used the geolocation to put in their website. Now you can't click on that particular thing, but you can actually, and they don't have their geolocation turned off, but what they want to do there is they're actually pointing you to maybe their store inside their retail establishment. Let's see if there's any others here. So a lot of people don't use it, and what's nice is that it's a subtle way to brand yourself one more time and to have that call to action shown somewhere. Yeah, I'm not seeing it too many other places, which is really cool because here you go, this one, http stellar.co. So this particular person is talking about authors, and if you want to write that down, you'll go right to their website basically. So I'm going to show you how I use it, but before you do that, you want to set up your settings in privacy to turn your physical location off. So you go to your settings on your phone, you go down to privacy, click on privacy. You can have location services turned on, but you want to turn off the Instagram location service. So this is on and this is off. So anything white is off. That means I don't want my physical location published. Once I do that, I'm going to do a post for you guys to show you how I use it, and then I may show you how to use direct messaging if we have time. Okay, so I want to post, and I do this about twice a month. I post an invitation to my challenge group. And since it's towards the end of the month, I think I'll post one more time so that I can get my March challenge group started. I'm going to use a transformation picture of myself with the 21-day fix. Now I've already created a link to a call to action landing page that I have, and that one's already created. It's called loseitwithjoy.com. So we can talk a little bit more about how to create landing pages that don't take them directly to your store site, but take them to a site where they can get more information. So the first thing I do is I want to think about what application and how I want the user to see this particular invitation. So I'm going to use an application called Flipagram. And what I love about Flipagram is that you can create different videos basically. So I created this one already for you guys, but I'll recreate it again. So Flipagram takes a bunch of pictures and it makes it into basically like a little flip book. So I'm going to go to my camera roll. I'm going to select some pictures. And I've already created all of these static images inside an application called WordSwag. So WordSwag is one of my favorite apps to use for creating this. So are you ready to lose 10 to 15 pounds? Leave your email below. So I am going to select these 5 particular pictures, go to next, and then you can edit these if they don't sit right. You can duplicate the pictures if you want that picture to appear more than once, and I do. I want this one to actually be the lead picture, so I'm going to grab it and move it. Grab this one and move this one over here and grab this one here. So it's going to start with a picture. and then it's going to have the message, are you ready to lose 10 to 15 pounds? I am going to set the speed for Instagram. Make sure you do that if you're posting to Instagram. And then I'm going to choose some music. For music, you really want to choose music that is not copyrighted. So I usually go to my fitness music. These are remixes. And I am going to choose Don't Stop Believing. Now the neat thing about Flipagram is you can actually tell it where to start. So you find the insertion point, and that looks pretty good. I'm going to keep that. Oops, I think I just decided not to use that. Let's try that again. So go to genres. I go to my fitness music. I choose my power music workout. I go down, I choose Don't Stop Believing. And this music that I got is actually off a website called Power Music, so you could download it as well. That looks good. Press done. Everything looks good. I could do filters on it, but I don't need to. It's already set to go. Go to next and just press done. And it's going to actually upload it to Flipagram, but it's also going to save it to your camera roll. Okay, so let's go to my camera roll just to show you that it's there. Okay, so it's going to play through the entire, basically the entire thing. Let's go to Instagram now. Let's make sure it didn't. Okay, so I am going to go to Instagram. And I am going to upload this one. I don't know if you guys are seeing that or not. There we go. Oh, it said, are you ready to lose 10 to 15 pounds by Halloween? So that's not going to work. Let's go back to Flipagram. Let's try it again. Yeah, so that one is not going to work. Let's delete that one. That's the neat thing about Flipagram is you can delete these. Let's try it again. And that's the thing with your apps, you just have to do trial and error on them. So let's go back to Flipagram. Let's create a new one. Click on the plus, grab your camera roll, click on your picture that you want. Go down and find the actual pictures, which are down here. Are you ready? So are you ready still works. I could go back into Word Swag and make a new picture with to lose 10 to 15 pounds, but I won't do that. I'm going to keep that there. I'm going to duplicate this once. I am going to move this one over here and leave your email as the last one. Press next, go back, go to speed, press on Instagram, press done, don't forget to press done. Go to your music, find your music. My music again is my fitness and workout music. This is what I use at my boot camps. And I'm going to press on Don't Stop Believing. I'm going to move it over to where the course starts. Press done, press next, and then press done. So right here you could actually post to Instagram if you wanted. If you decided, yes, this looks good and I just want to post to Instagram, you could immediately post to your profile, but you're missing out on that geolocation. So I just press done. And yes, it uploads to Flipagram. And then I go back into Instagram. I press on the particular picture. And so it's spaced it out for 15 seconds. That looks great. And then from here, you write in your caption. Now you can either write it in or you can speak it, and it will change your words into text by using this little microphone button at the bottom. So hey, this is Joy, and I am showing you my transformation results from my 21-day program. I'd love to have you join me on my next challenge starting March 7th. Leave your email below or click the link in my bio. Let's see how it did. So hey, this is Joy. So maybe we start with this is Joy. Change that to a capital. That's why I like speaking into it. This is Joy, and I'm showing you my transformation results from my 21-day program. I'd love to have you join me on my next challenge starting March 7th. Hit the return key, hit the space key, and then hit the return key. Looks good. Leave your email below or click the link in my bio. So that would work just fine. And then right here where it says name this location, so it wants me to access my physical location, but you just ignore that. So I'm going to put in my Lose It with Joy. This is my landing page for the 21-day fix. LoseItWithJoy.com. Okay, so if I put that in, that would get me, create that. That actually will show up right in the post. Okay, so I'm posting now, and then I'm going to go in and add my hashtags. My hashtags are already stored in my notes section. So I go back to my notes, and I go down and find maybe something that works. So I've got all kinds of hashtags down here, and I just basically find the ones that I thought would work. This one's good. So I select these. Oops. Let's try that again. Okay, copy, go back to your Instagram. In the first comment, paste in your, I forgot my Get Fit with Joy. This is my branded hashtag. Post that, and now it's up there. So what I taught you today was to do a Flipagram, add a transformation picture using Flipagram, and adding a geolocation with your call to action. The one other thing that you want to do is when you add a call to action is to update your profile, edit that to match whatever your call to action is. So remember, my call to action is to send them over to loseitwithjoy.com. So I will change this, and you can change it all the time depending on your call to action. So I'm changing this now to loseitwithjoy.com. Okay, now if they click on loseitwithjoy.com, it actually takes them to my landing page for that particular program. And there you have it. So I hope that helps. Again, this is Talk Nerdy to Me Joy on Tuesdays, and I hope you got something out of this. Please leave comments below and let me know. Talk to you soon.